Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z9875XX. Only 26,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history will report. Somewhat white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with the cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passenger. Family friendly with hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt-on telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hotkeys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon and a city average of 31 on the highway. And approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.